Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is September 16th, 2023, and it's my weekly market review where I review the Nasdaq 100, that's QQQ, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendations here. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is actually suitable for you. All right, let's jump right over to the chart and sum it up right quick at the beginning. We have a doji on the quarterly chart. We're still working on that red mud here on the monthly chart, and we're still above the 10. So we're still in a bull market, but we're pretty extended. So this thing can actually make a pullback. This is my low level that I expect the market can go to, and I'm always looking at my pivot levels in a bearish market to be my level to actually look for the market to stay below. On the weekly chart, as we can see here, another red week and all. Right at pivot, it did drop a little bit below pivot, but that's kind of okay, kind of expected. And I'm really kind of expecting we've got a couple of more weeks left in this month, so a little bit more slippage to the downside is not out of the question. We also had option expiration this past Friday, so maybe that was some of the sell-off and stuff and all that was happening too. And we also had future contract expirations also. But let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit and take a look at all what's going on here. I'm gonna maximize this quarterly chart where you can get a closer look. Got a doji above all lines and above all things. We're still somewhat bullish in the market and all, but like I say, I expect this market to stay up in here in this range here for quite some time, maybe through the rest of the year, not to the end of the year. I'm expecting a break out of that area. Here on the monthly chart, we are continuing with another red month, even though I thought this looked pretty good, this push up, but we are, and this hammer wasn't high enough, but it doesn't really matter. This is a bearish pattern, a bearish Arami here on the monthly chart. We are getting confirmation, but I really would like to see this thing, I don't know, maybe this month will we drop down here below some of these lows right here. It's just kind of like a wait and see what happens here. And then the big question is this market so extended that we actually may get another red month and get closer down here to this 10 moving average, so be careful about that. And on the weekly chart, again, another red week. We did have some of a bearish pattern over here from the previous week, or bearish Arami, and we are almost, I really don't call it confirmation unless I get a close down here below this candle right here. We're still kind of like an inside week of this previous green candle, so not much happened really this week to me, in my opinion. The volatility is getting a little high. We got a little extra premium for some of the things that you can actually do in the market. No trade recommendations there. The market is kind of just doing kind of like what we expected to do so far. This drop off, the sell off here with contracts expiring, with future contracts expiring, option contracts expiring, and the market likes to be above certain levels and below certain levels. It plays around different levels. One of the tricks that I use, if you contact me, I can tell you about some of the things to see, where the market may be going. It's one of those things that we do with options. But that's it. That's all I really want to share. I'm not going to get too much into any more than just that. I hope you guys having a great weekend. Hope you guys had a great week. And I'll talk to you next weekend. Talk to you later. Bye.